I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by prepping deliberately. Clean the area with isopropyl alcohol and let it dry so adhesive bonds. Once done, measure and center the sticker, taping a small hinge at the top to hold alignment. Make a quick spray mix of 1/2 water and 1 drop of dish soap and load your squeegee and lint-free cloth. These steps set you up for a smooth laydown. Make sure to remove dust with a microfiber before you proceed so no debris traps under the vinyl. You'll apply using the hinge method to control placement and avoid crooked installs. Peel back the top backing an inch or two, press the exposed edge to the surface, then slowly remove more backing while holding the hinge. If you use the wet method, spray lightly so the vinyl glides and you can still reposition. Squeegee center out with firm overlapping passes at about 45 degrees to push out water and air. Once the vinyl lays flat, go over edge. You finish by removing the transfer tape slowly at a 45-degree angle to minimize lifting. Make sure to keep the sticker pressed down with your free hand as you peel. If edges lift, warm them briefly with a hairdryer set to medium and press firmly to reseal. Let the adhesive cure for 24 to 48 hours before exposing it to moisture or abrasion. If you spot bubbles, pop small ones with a fine pin and squeegee flat, or heat and press larger ones to reflow the adhesive for a seamless finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.